So how many red cards in all? How many black cards in all? How many face cards in all? How many red face cards? How many kings?
Four.
Online
Excuse me,
students have
sir.
to speak.
So four.
Yes, Anushka. Okay with that. Is somebody saying something? Okay. How many red face cards? How many kings of heart? One. How many kings in all? How many aces? How many doublets when we roll two dice together? Six. What are these doublets? One, one, two, two, three, four, four, five, five, six, six. What does doublet means? Same numbers. Same numbers. Then what is the maximum sum that we can get on a die?
12.
12. And minimum 12. And minimum 2.
Two.
Then what is the probability of an impossible event? Sure event.
Zero.
Can the probability of event be negative? It always lies between. How do
Zero.
we find out the probability of non-occurrence of an event? 1 minus. Like for example, if probability of winning is 0.6, probability of losing will be
0.4.
0.4. 1 minus 0.6, 0.4. I hope this is clear to all.
Yes, sir.
Let's start with the exercise. Let's start with the problems of the exercise. 25A, question number 1 to 5. Any problem? Question number 6 to 10. Any problem? Sixth question. Sixth question. If A and B are two complementary events, complementary is the event of non-occurrence. So what is the relationship between PA and PB? So this will be PA plus PB equal to 1. And reason we'll mention probability of event, happening of event and non-happening of event is 1. Then second part. Second part is if the probability of happening of an event A is 0.46. What is the probability of not happening? So PA plus PA not equal to 1. PA is 0.46. So PA not equal to 1. So PA not will be equal to 1 minus 0.46, 0.5. Is this one clear? जल्दी से note करो इसको. Please note it down. Be quick. Then after 6, 9. Marks will be deducted. If you do not write the reasons, marks will be deducted. Come on, be quick.
Excuse me, sir.
Manjibite.
Sir, can you please explain it again?
Yeah, sure. Somebody was saying something here. Similar questions like say like. Look, it was given. That is, if A and B are two complementary events, what is the relationship between P and PB? So obviously, if they're complementary events, means one is happening and one is non-happening. So PA plus PB equal to 1. Then for the second part, probability of occurrence is given and non-occurrence we need to find out. We know the relationship between the two, PA plus PA naught will be equal to 1. PA की value हमें already given थी, that we have written, and we got the value PA naught as 0.54. Am I clear with that? Am I clear with that?
Yes, sir.
No? What's धीरे धीरे चलो, गिरोगे नहीं. Done. Now question number 9. Let's discuss all the three parts. Write the probability of a sure event. That's one. Write the probability of an event which is impossible. 0. For an event E, write a relation representing the range of PE. We need to write it as a relation. So PE is greater than equal to 0, but less than equal to 1. The probability of an event cannot be beyond 0 and 1. It will always be from 0 to 1. See, I'm not saying between 0 to 1. I'm saying from 0 to 1. Is there any difference? What is the difference? 0 and 1 are included.
Means only 0.
Yes, it can be 0 also. Then after 9? No problem.
Sir, I have a doubt on question 11, third part.
Question 11, third part. Okay,
Yes, sir.
just a second. Now look for it. Question number 11, third part. A dice is thrown once. A dice is thrown once. So sample space will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Number of elements in the sample space, 6. Now it is given in the first part, getting an even number. We always write it in terms of in words, first of all, and then we write it in the form of a set. Even number 2, 4, 6. So NE1 will be equal to 3. PE1, writing the formula is mandatory. NE1 upon NS. So NE1 is 3. NS is 6. Result will be 1 upon 2. Am I clear with it? Now second part. Second part is a number between 3 and 8. All the numbers which are between 3 and 8. Shall we take 3? So this will be 4, 5, 6. So again NE2 will be equal to 3. Now you can write it directly, 3 upon 6, 1 upon 2. Now the third part. Third part is an even number or a multiple of 3. It should be either an even number or a multiple of 3. E3. An even number or a multiple of 3. That means इन दोनों में से कोई भी criteria अगर fulfill करेगा वो number, that number will be taken. So that number should be either an even number or it should be a multiple of 3. So the numbers that will be included are 2, 3, 4, and 6 also. Why are we taking 2 and 4? Because they are even. Why are we taking 3 and 6? अच्छा यही एक single word, please be attentive. A single word can completely change the meaning of the question and completely change the result also. अगर यहाँ पर होता an even number and a multiple of 3, then the only possibility would be 6. Because 6 is the only number which is even and at the same time it is a multiple of 3. Am I clear with it? So right now, because the situation was of or, so these things will be included. So NE3 will be equal to 4 and PE3 will be equal to 4 upon 6, which will give us 2 upon. Am I clear with that? This class is being recorded, so for your future reference also you can see. This will be available on YouTube, so link will be shared. Please like and subscribe. टीचर जाता है ना बड़े एग्रेसिवली जो कहता है लाइक करो. Done.
Yes,
The
sir.
roll about 25A. Any other problem? Then all of the questions. Now look for it. Exercise 25B. Shall I rub this?
Sir, please wait.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do it now, no problem. Okay, look. Exercise 25B. The best part of the plan is that nobody can stop you. Right? Now, there is no new concept, no new formula. It's based only on the same things that we have done. That is, first of all, we need to write S. Then we need to write then. That's the only thing that we need to follow. And this is optional. Now look, question number 1 or question number 2. This will be better. This will help you to understand the concept in a clearer way. Look, nobody is going to write now. Stop writing at once. 100 identical cards are numbered from 1 to 100. 100 identical cards are numbered from 1 to 100. So sample space will be 1, 2, 3, and so on till 100. These cards are well shuffled and then a card is drawn. Find the probability that the number on the card is, these are the 5 options, 5 sub parts that we need to find out. First of all, NS will be equal to 100. Now, first part it is a multiple of 5. The number should be a multiple of 5. So we need to write it in the form of a set. So 5, 10, 15, and so on till 100. How many numbers will be there? If it is in a complete sequence, what you can do is last number upon the first number. If they are all multiples, this is how you can do it. So 100 upon 5, that will be 20. So PE1, the formula will be NE1 upon NS. So this will be 20 upon 100, that is 1 upon. I hope it's clear. Now look for the second part. Second part is a multiple of 6. A multiple of 6 in the form of a set will be 6, 12, and so on till 96. So NE2, 96 upon 6, 16. So PE2, now we can write it directly, 16 upon 100, that gives us 4 upon 25. Now third part. देखो बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें होती हैं जहां पर मिस्टेक्स होने के चांसेस होते हैं. Like for the third part, it is given between 40 and 60. E3 is the number should be between 40 and 60. Now, if you include 40 and 60, the whole of this part will be wrong because it is between 40 and 60. Neither 40 nor 60 will be included. So it will be 41, 42, and so on till 59. How many numbers will be there? Another blunder that some people make, 59 minus 41, 18. That is completely wrong. See, what are you doing? You are excluding 41 also. 41 is there. From 41 to 59, अगर आपको confusion है, you can use a simple trick. 41, 42, 43 जैसे बचपन में करते थे. One way you can do it. But अब बड़े हो गए, है ना? Better thing would be, देखो easiest way होता है, which I also follow. जो previous वाला number है, that is to be subtracted from the last number. Here 40 is not there, so 40 will be excluded. So 59 minus 40, that will be 19. अब आप देख रहे हो सिर्फ एक simple सी mistake और पूरा question wrong हो जाता. I hope this thing is clear. So it is not 59 minus 41, it is actually 59 minus 40. और अगर इसमें confusion है तो then what will we do? 19 upon 100. It's already in the simplest form. Now, fourth part, E4. Greater than 85. Greater than 85. So this will be 86, 87, and so on till 100. अब बताओ how many numbers?
Sir, 800 minus 85.
फिर वही मिस्टेक की अभी. It is not 100 minus 86, 100 minus 85. So that will be 50. Please be careful. जो चीज एक बार सीख जाओ, apply that. So this will be 3 upon 20. Now the last part, fifth part, less than 48. Less than 48. So what will be the numbers? 1, 2, 3, and so on till how many numbers? 46 to 9? 47. So PE5 will be equal to 47 upon 8. We get questions like this in the board exams. Give 4 marks. If this question would have been there in the exam, minimum 4 marks. Come on, be quick. Is the board clear? Abhishek, Afra,
Yes, sir. Just take
Arfa, Abhishek,
sir, clear.
Anushka, Ashutosh,
Yes, sir.
Anushka,
Yes, sir.
excuse me.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ जी बेटे बोलो.
Sir, in the third part, you have minus 40 with 59.
From 59.
Okay, sir.
समझ घूम कर आना है 5 मिनट्स के लिए. घूम कर आना है 5 मिनट्स के लिए. जानो तो बता देना. और जब पढ़ लो, पढ़ाई लिखाई काम आएगी. आर्यन, विशेष, गर्विता डन. बी क्विक बेटे. जस्ट टेक केयर आपके आसपास भी लोग पढ़ रहे हैं या नहीं. इस साइड वाले. Done. Anushka, you also take care of it. Done now. I'm rubbing this.
Sir, done.
You can see in the recording. And this is our private intellectual property. This is not to be publicized. The recording now. And that's not to be shared. You will get the link in the group. Do like and subscribe. हमने dislike वाला option हटा रखा है. Comment section भी off है. जो गेम आप खेल रहे हो ना, हमने खेल खेल के छोड़ दिया। Now look for it. Question number 6. A pair of dice is thrown. If a pair of dice is thrown, 1-1 till 1-6, 6-1 till 6-6, we can write it in short. So NS will be equal to 36. Now what is the event here? Find the probability of getting a sum of 10 or more if 5 appears on the first die. Not one. They've given us 2 conditions. Listen to this. Pay attention, all of you. Look here at the board. There are these 2 conditions are the sum should be 10 or more, but at the same time the first number should be 5. तो आपको सिर्फ उन वाले इवेंट्स में चेक करना है जिसमें फर्स्ट नंबर 5 हो and this sum should be 10 or more. First number 5 given है, any number 5 given है. If 5 appears on the first die, so 5 appears on the first die. That means 5-1, 5-2, 5-3, 5-4, 5-5, and 5-6. So from this row only we have to take. And which numbers we have to take? Which pair? Just because sum 10 or more. So this will be first number 5 and sum more than equal to 10. So even in terms of set will be just 5-5 and 5-6. So NE will be equal to 2. PE, the formula is NE upon NS. So here it will be 2 upon 36. That gives us. Is it difficult?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anji.
Sir, actually, board is not clear.
मेरे एंड पर तो बिल्कुल क्लियर है बेटे. आशुतोष.
Sir, I don't know. It is shining.
Just let me confirm.
Yes, sir.
Sir, clear.
Ashutosh, is the
Sir,
board
clear.
clear? So that means there is no connectivity and issue at your end. आप check करो, rejoin कर लो. I'll allow.
All right, sir.
I'm ending the meeting. I'll just restart it.